Okay, number 1. It says, suppose you borrow money from a relative to buy a lawnmower that costs $245. You charge $18 to mow a lawn. It says, number 1 says, which of the following function rules describe your profit as a function of the number of lawns mowed, which is M. So P is your profit, M is how many lawns that you've mowed. All right, so we know that how much money we earn is our profit, so P should be by itself on one side of the equal sign, and you'll notice on all of these it is. And then we know that the number of lawns are $18 times the number of lawns we've mowed. So 18 and M should be together. So if we look, they are here, they're not here. So we can cross those out. All right, so now we're down to looking at the difference between these two. This is plus 245 and this is minus 245. Now, this plus 245 means that he's getting this money. This is part of his profit, $245. But it's not. If we read our scenario, he had to pay $245. So that has to come out of his profit total, so it has to be subtracted from how many lawns that he's mowed. So our answer here is B. Now, for part 2, it says to write an equation that we could use to find the number of lawns mowed to make a profit of $385. So our profit, our P, is $385. So where we we're going to use our equation from number 1, and we're just going to replace P with 385. So we'll have 385 equals 18M minus 245. And that's all we have to do for part 2. It just says to write the equation. All right, for part 3 then, we need to solve that equation. Okay, so we've got 385 equals 18M minus 245. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get M by itself. So we want to add 245 to both sides. And those will cancel out. We add those together, it gives me 630, and we bring down our 18M. Since these are being multiplied together, we want to get M by itself, so we're going to divide by 18. And 630 divided by 18 is 35. So M equals 35. So that means on question 3, it says find the number of lawns he needs to mow. He needs to mow 35 lawns. If he mows 35 lawns, that means that he can pay for his lawnmower and then still have $385 left.